Hello once again. So today we will see what is the materials or what are the apparatus that can be used for conducting the calibration of thermocouple experiment, right? So basically it will have a heating unit, right? So this is a heating unit which is used and which is connected to the power supply, right? So then you have a device which is basically a kind of an amplifier which will have a Wheatstone bridge, right? It's going to basically do the signal conditioning process or act as a secondary transducer in converting your variation in the temperature to a digital value, right? So basically if you look, you have a power on button, you have a zero knob, you have a selector, you have a cal knob here, right? So the first process will be, you will be inserting a resistance temperature detector. The resistance temperature detector is one component of this process in which is helping us in study the variance in the temperature, right? So it's basically going to sense the variation that is occurring in the temperature, right? So this is the resistance temperature. This digital value, this value which is indicating here, will be this resistance temperature detector's value, right? So then you have this thermocouple can be the experiments can be conducted in three types, right? One you can conduct for J type, one you can conduct for K type, one you can conduct for T type. Whenever you're conducting for J type, right, the knob has to brought into this J type module here, right? So when it is indicating with a J type, basically the material used for J type will be iron constant, right? So based on the material used, iron constant, that kind of materials will be used, and you would have manufactured a thermocouple of the J type material which is connected to the circuit by using two color codes which is indicated here, blue and black. One indicates negative, one the other indicates positive. You're going to insert it here and bring the connections, right? So the first time what you're going to do is, in the calibration process, when the RTT is showing you 35.3, so using the zero knob, you're going to set your thermocouple value also 35.3. A small variations of plus or minus 5 degree or 1 degree is fair enough. So after setting your value here, we almost switch on the heating unit. Make sure your thermocouple temperature changes now.